पॉलिसी बाजार पर 1 करोड़ रुपए का टर्म लाइफ इंश्योरेंस केवल 450 रुपए महीने से शुरू। वाव!
And some breaking news that has just come in. A court in Uttar Pradesh's Mathura today has ordered the survey of the Shahi Idgah Mosque, which the petitioners claim was built on the Krishna Janmabhoomi or birthplace of Krishna. The survey will be done by the Archaeological Survey of India from January 2nd, and the report is to be submitted on January 20th, when the next hearing will be done by the court. The court, in fact, passed the order on a lawsuit filed by Vishnu Gupta of the Hindu Sena outfit. I am being joined by Saurabh Shukla for more on this. Saurabh, what are the details and why was this survey ordered?
It's a huge story in context to Uttar Pradesh. Yesterday, local court, Mathura Civil Court, ordered this survey, and I've just read the judgment. It's a 4-line judgment where judge has said that Amin, which is court commissioner, will do the survey and submit the map and survey report by 20th of January. Same happened in Gyanvapi Masjid of Varanasi as well, but Sneha, that order was very detailed. That survey happened in April-May of this year, but that order was very detailed, that who will be the court commissioner, how that survey will happen, DM will be present, SP will be present, and detailed guidelines about the videography as well. But this judgment, which was passed by Mathura court yesterday, doesn't talk about the detailed survey guidelines. So I've just spoken with the lawyer of petitioner. He's saying that they also got the copy in the afternoon today. They will again seek more clarification from the court. When court will reopen on 2nd of January. Courts are closed for winter vacations from today, Sneha. But this is a important judgment in context of that whole controversy of Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi and Shahi Masjid. In this petition was filed by Vishnu Gupta, who is chief of Hindu Sena. He stays in Delhi. He filed this petition on 8th. The arguments happened, and in this petition he claimed that Aurangzeb destroyed Krishna Janmabhoomi temple and built this mosque in 17th century. And the arguments from Shahi Masjid side also happened, and then court passed this judgment yesterday. So on 2nd of January, when court will reopen, both the sides, petitioners will also seek more clarification that how this survey is going to happen, who will be the court commissioner, because for the clarification of our viewers, Neha, in every court there's a court commissioner. Locally he's called Amin. So this Amin will do the survey, and videography will happen, pictures will be clicked, how it is going to happen, because this is a sensitive communal issue, Sneha. And we all know that BJP has been saying that Ayodhya to bas jhaki hai, Kashi Mathura baki hai. So
That's
Kashi,
right, Saurabh, while you
the court proceedings are underway.
That's one thing I want to ask you about is, it's not just a judgment in its isolation, the political context of it. This in itself is going to stir a lot of politics, even before the survey perhaps is completed.
Absolutely. The same happened in Varanasi as well. And we all know that debate where Nupu Sharma gave that statement, and that erupted controversy. The communal clashes were also there in Uttar Pradesh, and we all know what happened. So definitely the discussion will happen on who will get the benefit out of it. Local body elections are coming in Uttar Pradesh. Bharat Jodo Yatra is underway, and the court judgment is not clear at all, Sneha. It is just a 4-line judgment, and it's such a sensitive communal issue. Because when it happened in Varanasi, there was a detailed judgment from the court about the law and order situation as well. Court instructed DM and SSP and the Commissioner of Varanasi to take care of law and order, asked them to monitor drone should be there for monitoring the law and order situation in the area. But this judgment doesn't talk about those details as well. So we have to wait for 2nd January when petitioners will take more clarification on this judgment, because I just had a word with the lawyers of petitioner. He's also not very clear. It did not sound very clear. But according to the judgment, I can say that court has ordered survey of Shahi Idgah in Mathura, and that survey report will be submitted to court by 20th of January. Court Amin, in Hindi Amin, and in English we can say court commissioner, will do the survey and also submit the report and as well as the map of Shahi Idgah. Then court will decide how to go about it further. But on 2nd January, petitioners will seek more clarification on this judgment.